Hey, this is Anthony with Bsidestudios.com, a web design firm based out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and today I'm going to be talking about a WYSIWYG editor named TinyMCE. What this exactly is a simplified editor for pages, stories, and even blogs. This editor allows the author to edit things with ease and on the fly. So let's get started with the install. The first module we need is simply named WYSIWYG. What this module allows us to do is a simple and clean installation of TinyMCE. So head over to drupal.org/project/WYSIWYG and scroll down to the recommended releases area. Download the appropriate version for your Drupal installation. Once you have it, drop it off in your Sites All Modules folder. Open it up and head over to the Editors folder. Once you're there, look for tinymce.inc. Go ahead and right-click it, edit, and we're going to be looking for a line that reads $line equals fgets. Now, default it's displayed as 100 for the numerical value. We're going to change it to 150. What this does is, since the version of TinyMCE is called in on a different line than that of which is displayed by default, it calls it in on the right one, so in a way it avoids an error that most people get. Once that's done, go ahead and save it, re-upload it, and proceed to the admin dashboard on your website. Underneath Site Building, go to Modules, and go ahead and activate the WYSIWYG module. Head over back to the admin dashboard, and underneath Site Configuration, click WYSIWYG. Here you'll see a bunch of other editors that are available, but the one we're going to be focusing on is called TinyMCE. Right next to the name there will be a download link. Go ahead and click it. What you want to download is the main package. Once you have it, go ahead and go to your FTP program, go back to your Sites All folder, and we're going to create a new directory called Libraries. Here's where you're going to install the main package. After that's been done, we're going to activate the editor so the WYSIWYG module we installed calls it and displays it. For the input format, we're going to use full HTML, and you're going to select TinyMCE. Now, if you want, you can change the input format by default by going to Input Formats underneath Site Configuration and setting the default as full HTML. Let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, looks good. Couple default options up here. But if you wanted to change any of the options over here, you can simply go back to the admin dashboard, go to WYSIWYG, click Edit, and here you'll have a multitude of options, but the one we're going to be focusing on is buttons and plugins. Here you'll be able to change a bunch of options with tons of things that you can add in on your editor. Another nice add-on for dropping images directly into the WYSIWYG is a module called Image Assist, which you can grab at drupal.org/project/img_assist. Once that's installed, you can just come back to this section and you'll see a nice little checkbox to activate it. Alright, so congratulations on setting up TinyMCE. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at team@bsidestudios.com. Thanks.